Сәлем достар, бүгінгі жаңа сұрақ жауап бағдарламамыздың қонағы Мики Пис. Мики ақш-тың Калифорния штатынан болады. 2010 жылдан 2013 жылға дейін мектебіміздегі сұхбаттасу клубының жүргізушісі болды. Hello, Miki.
Hello, Anwar. Good to see you again.
Me too. Thank you for your time, for coming and saying hi. I hope you are very excited too.
I am. It's so good to see you again.
Yeah. Let's start our little conversation. How are you doing? How is Astana, and has it changed in 2 years?
I am doing fine. I was very excited to come back to Astana, and as my airplane was coming late at night into Astana, and I saw the snow on the ground, and it brought back so many memories of Astana's winter, and I thought to myself, I am home. I have come home again.
Thank you. Thank you. Could you share with your memories and the funny moments you could have in Kazakhstan?
Well, I think one of the things that I had difficulty with was the language. And that's why I admire you for really desiring people to learn English, to be able to communicate. And I was teaching English, so I didn't learn Russian. And I remember one very funny moment because I was with the taxi driver and it was very hot in the taxi. And so I had taken off my scarf, I took off my hat, I took off my gloves, and I said to the taxi driver, I didn't know the word for hot. It's очень не холодно. But he understood, and he rolled down the window and he turned off the heat. So it worked out fine, but it was a funny moment, and I had many funny moments like that.
All right. What do you think? What do you miss the most about Kazakhstan?
I miss the people because it's what kept me coming back to Kazakhstan. I love the hospitality and the friendliness and always feeling like I was welcome. I never ever felt like a foreigner. I think I became Kazakh.
Yeah, I think it comes because of our traditions, the way we live. Our parents taught us to be hospitable.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, thank you. The next question, what do you think? What would you take with you to California from Astana?
I have taken many things about your hospitality with me to America, and about how you love to spend time with people around the table, enjoying food together. And we tend in America to have a time limit for everything that we do. If you come over for coffee, you will only stay maybe 2 hours and you are done. And I love the way that here in Astana, if I go to visit you for coffee, I am welcome to stay for the whole afternoon and evening, and for tea. And it has been wonderful. There have been many wonderful things that I have taken back with me.
Okay, let me tell to our subscribers one situation with you I had. Достар, осыдан 4-5 жыл бұрын Микиді бірінші рет түскі асқа үйге шақырғам. Сонда Алматыдан апам келіп бізге ет асып тамақ берген кез болды. Сол кезде бір қызық жағдай болды. Өйткені апам мен Мики замандас құрбылас болады, бірақ апам бірде бір ағылшын тілін білмейді, мекеде қазақша сөйлей алмайды. Сонда екі адам бір-бірін түсінбесе де, бірақ соңында ас ішіп болғаннан кейін мекеден сұрағанда апамның не айтқанын бәрін түсіндім дейді. Ол жерде сонда апамның айтқаны мекеге ешқандай тілсіз түсінікті болғаны ол біздің дәстүрімізге байланысты деп ойлаймын. I'm just I'm just sharing my memories about your meeting with my grandmother. Do you remember?
Yes, I do.
I'm just trying to explain that she doesn't speak English. You don't speak Kazakh, but you understood each other
very well. Yes.
Without any words.
Yes, it was a great time to meet your grandmother and to share time with her.
Thank you. We have kind of traditions when elder people give some wishes, and you also could give your wishes to our subscribers and followers. What would you say to them?
I would hope that there would be a resurgence of hope, that the difficulties with the economy would not take away the hope of the Kazakh people, that you have so many wonderful opportunities and you have such a great heritage and you are such a great people, that I would hope that you would look to the future and know that things will be better.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for inviting me.
I hope it's not the last meeting.
I hope so too. Thank you, Anwar.
Thank you very much.